2 cups mango chunks. Granulated sugar 60 gram. Water 1/4 cup. Mix well and simmer on low to medium heat for about 4 minutes. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Turn off the heat and stir well. Let it cool completely and place in the fridge to speed up the cooling process. Cream cheese 350 gram. Whisk until smooth. Whipping cream 260 gram. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Whisk together until soft peaks form and set aside. Hot water as required. Instant coffee 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Dip half of the Ladyfingers 1 by 1 into the coffee mixture for 1 to 2 seconds and arrange them in a single layer. Spread half of the cream cheese mixture on top of the Ladyfingers. Top it with half of the chilled mango sauce. Dip rest of the Ladyfingers into the coffee mixture for 1 to 2 seconds and arrange them evenly. Spread the remaining cream cheese mixture on top of the Ladyfingers. Then, top it with remaining chilled mango sauce and refrigerate for 1 hour. Whipping cream 1 cup. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Spread the cream on top and refrigerate for 4 hours. Decorate with cocoa powder and some mango slices. Enjoy!